What if I told you that your favorite Adidas shoes go through a secretive, high-tech, almost sci-fi level process before landing in your hands? The process is fast, ruthless, and designed for perfection. But here's the catch. One small mistake and thousands of shoes are scrapped, costing Adidas millions. Before you lace up your sneakers for your next run, let's dive deep into the fascinating world of how Adidas manufactures millions of shoes every year. But be warned, once you see what goes on inside these factories, you'll never look at your shoes the same way again. The setup, raw materials and design. Before any Adidas shoe gets its signature stripes, it all starts with raw materials. But here's something you probably didn't know. Your sneakers are built from trash. That's right, Adidas sources recycled plastics from ocean waste to create its prime knit uppers, reducing pollution while making shoes even more durable. So, next time you step in a puddle, just remember, you're walking on what could have been floating in the Pacific last year. But sustainable materials are just one piece of the puzzle. Adidas also uses high-performance synthetics, lightweight foams, and engineered rubbers, each one carefully selected for durability, flexibility, and breathability. Now, let's talk about design. Adidas doesn't just sketch shoes and hope for the best, they use artificial intelligence to create the perfect fit. Behind closed doors, Adidas's AI software runs thousands of simulations, testing different materials and structures before a single shoe is even made. Imagine this. Every detail of your sneaker, from the curve of the arch to the bounce in the sole, is tested virtually before it touches a factory floor. Once the AI blueprint is finalized, human designers step in to refine the aesthetics. Because let's face it, no one wants high-tech sneakers that look like they belong in a hospital. With the materials chosen and the design perfected, the real magic begins, transforming blueprints into reality using industrial-grade machinery. And this is where things get really intense. The manufacturing process. Welcome to the heart of the Adidas factory, the manufacturing floor, where precision meets speed. This is where Adidas turns raw materials into performance-driven footwear. And let me tell you, it's not a simple process. It's an industrial ballet of speed, precision, and pure engineering genius. Giant machines slice through synthetic fabrics and engineered mesh with surgical precision. A human could never match this level of accuracy. It's all done in milliseconds by lasers and automated cutting arms. That's where Adidas's secret weapon comes in. Boost technology. Tiny thermoplastic pellets, think of them as micro-energy capsules, are blasted with steam until they expand and fuse together. Now, if that sounds like a science experiment, that's because it basically is. These soles don't just provide comfort, they literally return energy with every step. Once the soles are ready, the upper part of the shoe is constructed using heat bonding and robotic stitching. Unlike old-school shoemaking, Adidas avoids excessive glue and stitching. Instead, high-frequency welding fuses different parts together, making the shoe stronger and more seamless. Imagine a sneaker where every stitch, every layer, every tiny detail is placed with microscopic precision. That's what these robots do. But the process isn't all machines. Human hands are still crucial. Skilled workers inspect the stitching, ensuring nothing is off by even a fraction of a millimeter. Even the laces? Yes, those are measured to exact lengths, because Adidas doesn't leave anything to chance. And just when you think the shoe is almost ready, it still has to go through one of the most intense phases yet. What happens next? Well, let's just say, not every shoe survives. Quality control and final touches. This is where Adidas separates the best from the rest. Every single pair of Adidas shoes must pass a brutal series of tests before it can even think about touching a store shelf. The shoe's sole is bent more than 50,000 times to ensure it won't crack under pressure. Think about that. The next time you casually tie your laces, that shoe has already survived more wear and tear than you'll ever put it through. Adidas engineers simulate extreme conditions to see how the shoe holds up against heat, moisture, and relentless pounding. Because no one wants a sneaker that falls apart mid-run. Ever had a shoe blow out at the worst possible moment? Like stepping in a puddle and realizing, oh, it's a sandal now? Adidas makes sure that doesn't happen. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Adidas doesn't just test the shoes, it tests the shoelaces, the glue, even the stitching strength. Even the famous 3 stripes? They're tested for durability too. Adidas ensures they don't fade or peel, no matter how many miles you run in them. But here's the harsh truth. Not every shoe makes it. In fact, thousands are rejected every single day. But before you go, there's one shocking fact you should know. Here's something mind-blowing. Despite all this high-tech precision, Adidas produces over 400 million pairs of shoes per year. Yet some models remain impossible to find. Why? Because Adidas uses limited releases and artificial scarcity to drive demand, making certain pairs feel exclusive and valuable. So next time you're struggling to find your size, just remember, it's all part of the plan. If you found this inside look at Adidas, hit that like button and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes stories about the world's biggest brands. What factory should we expose next? Comment below and let's uncover the secrets together.